Today I'm going to show you step by step how to use frames in Canva. These are really cool if you want to add photos to different elements or like a Polaroid picture like in this one. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. First thing we're going to do is go to the elements, and anytime that you see an element with this kind of a cloud background image, that means it's a frame and you can add images to it. So they have frames here if you click on frames, or you can also just search frames in elements. It's going to bring you up the frames and we can see all of these different frames, which is really cool. So we can add frames to a phone. We can add, this is kind of like a camera roll type of thing, different shapes. We can also do letters. So we can do B, and let's do A, B, C, C. Okay, so we've got A, B, and C here. Let me center this. So I'm going to take uploads, and I've got some images here, and I can kind of just drag and drop it in, and you'll see it attached to that frame. So I can drag that, drop that in. I'm going to do this one. I can also use any of the stock photos inside Canva and stock videos as well. So I can add this photo into C, and then I can also double click and move it around as well. So I can position it wherever I want to. So let me show you some different options as well. We can also do grids. So we can do 3 here. So if we do this too, so we have 2 here. So let's do photos, or let's do some videos here. So let's do nature. Let's do this one with the fire. Actually, let's move it to this one with the fire. And then this one, we'll do this fire over here. So as you can see, the video is playing, but it's not where I want it. So I can double click and I can drag it over to this part of the flame and then just click out of it, and it's going to be positioned correctly. And then this one, maybe I want to get this guy's hand. Then I can do that and drag them in. So these are all the different grids, which just have different layouts. Back to frames, I can do different devices. So I can also do it for a computer or a phone. So let's do a computer here, and let's go to uploads. I can drag and drop this in. So it looks like you're looking at my computer screen, which is really cool. Or I can do one with on the phone. So let's do element. I'm just going to click and then go to the uploads and drag and drop. So this is a video that I was working on with how to redeem a Fetch Rewards gift card for Starbucks, and I can drag and drop that. So it looks like it's on my phone, which is really cool. So those are devices. We can do paper, we can do flowers, blobs, retro. This is really cool here. All of these. We can do letters, numbers, trending, all of these. So basically anytime you want one, you just click on it, add it, and then you're going to drag and drop it into the element. Now, if you want to see how to add your image to mockups, so it looks like someone is holding your phone or it looks like someone is typing on the computer, they have some really cool mockups also of adding your image to a t-shirt or something like that. Check out this video here.